How to delete WhatsApp status new update. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp status new update. First, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. To show you, I'm going to upload a status on my WhatsApp. Now as you can see, our status has been uploaded. Next, tap on your status. Then open your status and tap on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Here, what you need to do is tap on delete. Once again, you need to tap on delete to remove the status. And as you can see, our story has been deleted. So that is exactly how you can delete WhatsApp status on the new update. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.